Ready to send money overseas effortlessly using your Postepay card? Let's dive into how you can smoothly integrate your Postepay card with Taptap Send for quick and secure international money transfers. First, make sure you've downloaded and opened the Taptap Send app onto your smartphone from the main screen. Usually, you need to ensure you are logged in. If not, do so. Tap on the Send Money option, which often has a button that says Send. You will likely then be asked to select a recipient and choose the country you will be sending money to. Once these steps are done, you will be prompted to select your payment method. This is where we'll add your Postepay card details. Look for a section related to payment methods. It could be labeled Pay With or similar. Tap into this option. Here, you should see Add Card or a similar option or plus sign to add a new payment method. Select the option to add your card. You'll then be asked to enter your Postepay card details, your card number, expiration date, the CVC or CVV security code, and your cardholder's name. Be precise in filling out these details. Make sure any data from the Postepay card is correct. After you've entered all the information and cross-check all details are correct, tap the Save or Confirm buttons. And that's it. Your Postepay card is now linked to your Taptap Send account. You're now ready to use your Postepay card for future transfers. To make a transfer, simply select your Postepay card as the desired payment option, enter the amount you want to send, then follow the subsequent instructions to finalize and send your money. Enjoy the swift and secure money transfers. Taptap Send is designed to make international payments simple and worry-free with your Postepay card.